Hey, this is Sean for Sean Cole Enterprises. Just wanted to take a time out, and make a quick video today, and let y'all know about some new bonuses going on at one of my companies, Royaltie. Um, just announced this month that for every 5 sales, there'll be a $250 bonus. Let me repeat that again for you. Every 5 sales equals a $250 bonus for you. And let that sink in. Royaltie. Royaltie is a tech company. We do proximity marketing systems for your business. We had the gym, which is our device that places your URL, your ads on smartphones within 100 yards. We actually have a 400-meter device also, and we also do mobile guest Wi-Fi that you can use on your cell phone to collect leads and offer free Wi-Fi. Or also we have a pro version that allows business owners to have brick and mortar locations to collect leads and offer guest Wi-Fi to their customers. Easy sales. So basically for $90, you can get in, start making money, start making sales, get your 5 sales, $250 a month bonus. And that's for the month of September. 5 sales, $250 a month. If you'd like more information, or to get in contact with me, all the details will be listed below in the information section of this video. Thank you for your time. Again, Sean Cole Enterprises, Royaltie Gym, Royaltie Uplink. Get 5 sales, $250 a month bonus. Thank you. Have a great day.